In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Google Slides using their version history. This method is simple and allows you to restore your presentations quickly and efficiently. First, open Google Slides in your browser and sign into your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see your homepage with all your recent presentations. You can choose any existing presentation to open. If you accidentally deleted a slide or made unwanted changes, don't panic. Version history makes recovery easy. To access version history, click on File in the top left corner, then select Version History and click See Version History. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen, showing a detailed timeline of all saved edits. Here, you can see exactly who made changes and at what time, which is helpful if you are collaborating with others. Browse through the versions to find the one you want to restore. Click on it to preview your slides as they were at that point. You can compare different versions before making a final decision, ensuring you restore the exact content you need. Once satisfied, click Restore this version, and your presentation will revert to that saved state. This feature not only recovers deleted slides, but also allows you to undo multiple changes over time. It highlights the importance of Google's automatic saving and provides peace of mind when working on important projects. Make it a habit to check version history periodically, especially for group projects or long presentations. And there you have it. With version history, you can confidently experiment with your slides, knowing that any mistakes can be easily undone.